Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Suzanne, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, May the 4th, 2018. May the 4th be with you. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 64 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 74 and a low of 52, with mostly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Kiki,
Janabi, Azar, Priya,
Harain,
Jeet.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Sox won against the Minnesota Twins with a score of 65, and the Cubs will play the St. Louis Cardinals tonight at 7:15. There are no clubs meeting today. Today's announcements are: there will be a PBIS assembly in the gym. Please listen for your time to come to the gym. Tonight is movie night at Hoover. Playing in the library is Rookie of the Year, and playing in the gym is Everyone's Hero. Tickets at the door are free. Now a message from Mrs. Ingram and Miss Canoon.
Good morning, wonderful, lovely Hoover staff and students. Good morning, Miss Canoon. How are you?
Good morning. It's nice to be back. Mr. Sustich came yesterday and just said, nope, I'm taking over.
I know.
What could I do?
Something about pie and
I don't
McDonald's.
know,
I don't know what
guess.
was going on, but
I
he
don't
sat
know.
here, he talked about pie, and then left.
So I'm back. So
if
it's good to be back.
We missed you, so we're so
Thanks.
glad you're back. And it was
Thanks.
good to see you this morning at Donuts with Dads.
Yes.
Any families who came out, any dads who came out, or just any family members who came, thank you so much. We had a great time. Students enjoyed their donuts.
Great turnout.
Great turnout.
Yep.
And then, today is National Star Wars Day because May the 4th be with you. So it is May 4th. And I saw a lot of students this morning wearing Star Wars shirts. Mrs. Bernacki has a Star Wars shirt on.
And Miss Bernacki has a shirt and socks on.
Oh, there we go. Perfect. The Bernackis.
They
so
are
cute.
Star Wars twins.
Star Wars twins on May 4th.
Yay.
What
and
else?
it's National Orange Juice Day. Some of you got to have orange juice at Donuts
Yeah.
with Dad, so that was kind of good.
So, way to celebrate here. Orange is the
and
color
we've got,
today.
that's right, happiness,
So that's
orange.
great,
Yep.
happiness. And then we're going to do some polls. Yesterday at Donuts with Dad, this bag and game were left in the gym. It's Mr. Mouth. So if this is yours, you can pick it up after announcements in the office. Alrighty, should we pull some Herbie high fives?
We would love to.
Here we go.
This is intermediate.
Alrighty. We have Nadia in 214.
We have Rishi in 203.
We have Abdullah in 109.
Aiden in 120.
What else? Ariana in 101.
Isaiah in 203.
Emily in 108.
Ellie in 120.
Gustavo in 108.
Naya in 203. Lots of 203.
Yeah, great job. I got Emily again in 108. So lots of 108.
We have Vishad in 206. Sorry if I mispronounced it.
Anvi in 214.
And Eliana in 211.
And finally, Ryan in 109. Did you have one more?
I do have one more.
Okay.
Let's see. Last but not least, Zoe in 205.
Oh, and you know what? Emily H, that doesn't have a room number, fell out earlier. So Emily H. There you go. And then Smensel winners. We have Zach in 204,
Jasmine 203,
Andy 107,
Emily 108,
Delilah 108,
Lincoln 105,
Charlotte 112,
Ruhi 112,
Charlotte 106,
and Ali 107,
Caitlin 102.
and last Huga in 110.
Congratulations. Please don't go down until after announcements. And we have our lovely music teachers coming on up.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hoover
you guys are
Hooray.
pulling those.
Oh, we
Yeah.
get to pull them. Can you hold it?
Yes, I can.
we're so glad you're back. We missed them last
Yes.
week. They
love
were
our
missing in action. We
music.
love our ukulele ladies.
And we did not try and sing it solo.
No.
They just didn't get
No.
the song that day.
We did not.
Are we gonna sing first or pull her?
Yeah, we'll go ahead and pull them first. Hooray, hoorays. These are for students who have been walking safely before and after school at dismissal.
Caitlin in 204.
Zareen in 106.
Izzy in 105.
Keshab in 214.
John V in 206. She's right there.
Woohoo!
She got really excited.
She did.
Anya in 112.
Ben in 101. How many are we pulling here?
However many you
It's
want.
really full.
Mona in 205.
Joshua in 214.
Two more.
Number 9.
Oh boy, this one is in glitter pen.
Ooh.
Tita in 202.
Fancy. And Rima in 107.
Thank you to the students who have been dismissing and coming into the school so safely. And here's our song, Take It Away.
Are we having our friends come
yeah.
on? Come on.
Come on up.
With Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover is the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray, hooray.
Stay classy, Hoover.
Thank you, Mrs. Ingram and Ms. Canoon. Friday's fact is, today's Firefighters Day. Could you imagine running into a burning building to rescue a stranger? Could you imagine climbing a tree in a burning forest to save an animal? These are things firefighters do every day. Wearing red and blue ribbons today can show gratitude to all firefighters. The red symbolizes fire, and the blue symbolizes water. Today, thank a firefighter for all that they do. That's all for today. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the Super Squad production team. Have a Funk Pop Friday.